Enjoy the journey from my new book, Design Your Future. When you focus on small steps, you begin to appreciate the journey itself rather than becoming fixated solely on the outcome. Celebrate the progress you make along the way. Enjoy the journey. My dad used to say, "Siamo di passaggio," which means we're just passing through. We're just passing through. So stop, slow down, smell the roses. I know it's a cliche, but stop and smell the roses. Be present. When you are present, you are inspired, from the Latin in spirito, in the spirit. Inspiration comes when you are present. In the moment, ideas will come to you, will flow to you. Be present, be inspired. It's all in the book on Amazon. Go get it.